Students, today we will learn the geography fourth lesson, India resources and industries. Okay, in this lesson we learn about the resource and its types. Then we understand the concept of renewable and non-renewable. Then we will learn the different types of distribution of industries in India. Then we analyze the problem of Indian industries. These are the learning objectives. Okay. Then first introduction. First we will learn the natural resources. What is the meaning of natural resources? You see, any matter or energy derived from the environment that is used by living things including human is called natural resources. Okay, any energy it's derived from the environment, our environment. Okay, that energy used by the living things, human also living things, okay. Then this is called the natural resources. Already this also is studying in 8th standard, isn't it? Okay. Then natural resources. What are the natural resources? You see, you are get from the our environment, isn't it? You see, what are the natural resources? Air, water, soil, minerals, fossil fuels and plants and wildlife, etc. These are the natural resources. Okay. Then in many natural resources are used as a raw material. Okay. Then it's a this part is very important in economic development also. Then the natural resources are classified on several bases based on continued availability. There you are getting, so that basis on that is classified in several types. Is the category is two types. Okay, one is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means these resources are those which have natural regeneration after their utilizations. We are utilize the particular resource after we are get that resource from nature. This is called the renewable resources. For example, sunlight and air, soil also is the renewable resources. And for here having, solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy are the renewable resources. Then non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the sources that cannot be replaced again after utilizations. We are used, after that resource are finished. Okay, we are not get the resource. Okay, this the not cannot be replaced again after utilizations. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas is the non-renewable resources. Okay. Then minerals. Minerals is the natural substance of organic or inorganic origin which definite chemical and physical properties. It's a organic or inorganic. It's original with the chemical and physical properties having. Okay, this process of the mineral process, extracting process called the mining is known as the mining. Okay, in the mine near the earth crust. Near the earth crust means that process is called open pit mines, while the deep mines are called known as shaft mines. Okay, this is the two types of the process, extracting process of mines. Then types of minerals. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals are broadly grouped under two categories. It is classified into two types of minerals. One is metallic, another one is non-metallic. Okay, two types having, one is metallic, another one is non-metallic.